Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my little corner of deliciousness. If you are anything like me and absolutely love plantains, then today's recipe is going to make your heart and your taste bud so happy. Honestly, there is something magical about a perfect ripe plantain. Its golden color, soft texture, and natural sweetness just makes you want to turn it into something special. And today, we are doing just that. We are making a soft, sweet, melt in your mouth plantain cake that is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even desserts. First thing first, let's peel those ripe golden plantains. Just look at that color. So inviting, so rich. The moment you touch them, you can feel how soft they are, and the aroma already hints at the deliciousness to come. Mash them gently until they become a smooth, creamy puree. I always love doing this part slowly, taking a moment to enjoy the smell and texture. It is simple, but there is something comforting about it. That natural sweetness is the base of our cake, and it is going to shine in every bite. Now comes the fun part. All you have to do is to mix the mashed plantains with eggs, sugar, oil, vanilla, milk, flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and raisins. Yep, that is it. No complicated steps. No need to separate ingredients. Just mix everything together until you have a smooth, silky batter. Take a moment here. Sneak a taste of the batter if you like. I won't tell anyone. That flavor is already hint at the magic that is about to come out of the oven. Once your batter is perfectly combined, pour it into a greased baking pan and smooth the top. Pop it into the oven and get ready for your kitchen to transform. As it bakes, the comforting aroma of cinnamon and sweet plantains will fill the room. You will find yourself snaking little whiffs while it's rising. Imagine that golden cake with slightly caramelized edges. It's like a little piece of magic happening right before your eyes. Sometimes I just stand there watching it rise because it feels like this simple mixture has turned into something truly special. When the cake is finally done, let it cool just a few minutes. Then the best part, slicing into it, the soft, moist texture practically melts in your mouth. The natural sweetness from the plantain is perfectly balanced with a hint of cinnamon, and those sweet burst of raisin makes every bite exciting. I promise, one bite and you will be hooked. This isn't just a cake, it's comfort, joy, and a hug all rolled into one. And the best thing, this cake is perfect for sharing or not sharing at all. I won't judge. Pair it with a cup of coffee, tea, or even a cold glass of milk, and you've got yourself the perfect little moment of happiness. On my page, you will find so many plantain recipes from bread to fritters, and this cake is definitely one of my favorites. If you love plantain as much as I do, I promise you, you will want to try every single recipe.